Okay, welcome to this section on monitoring, troubleshooting, and audits. We are going to learn about CloudWatch, X-Ray, and CloudTrail, and to me, it's one of the most exciting sections. So why is monitoring important? I think you already know the answer, but I'd like to say it out loud. We know how to deploy applications. We've seen how to do it safely, automatically, using infrastructure as code, and leveraging the best AWS components. So we know how to do deployments. What we don't know is that once our applications are deployed, our users don't really care how we did it. They don't care if we used Elastic Beanstalk. They don't care if we use infrastructure as code. It's great that we did. It's an engineering prowess. But the users don't care. The users only care that the application is working. And so what we want to work is, for example, the latency. Will the application latency increase over time, and why? Outages, if there's an outage, well, our customer experience should not be degraded, okay? It should still be good. That's why we deploy highly available things. And then if the user contacts the IT department or complaining, that's really, really bad. We don't want to be alerted of problems by our users. We kind of want to be able to do troubleshooting and remediation beforehand. So internally, can we prevent issues before they happen? Or if they happen, can we see them before our users? Can we also monitor performance and cost? Can we look at trends in terms of how things scale, in terms of patterns of outages? And what can we learn and how can we improve thanks to this monitoring? So to me, monitoring is really, really, really important. Now, in AWS, there's CloudWatch, and CloudWatch allows you to collect metrics. It allows you to collect logs to monitor and analyze the log files, events to send notifications when certain things happen in your AWS environment, and alarms to react in real time to metrics, events, and even logs. Then we have X-Ray, and X-Ray is kind of a new service that is not very popular yet, but I think it is one of the most awesome ones. And so it allows you to troubleshoot your application performance and errors. So we'll see the latency and we'll see the errors just live. And it allows us to do something really cool called distributed tracing of microservices. So if you have a lot of services doing a lot of things and calling one another, or if you interact with many AWS components such as S3, DynamoDB, etc., then you're able to see how your application makes calls and how long they take, and you can trace your call all the way through, which is really, really nice. CloudTrail is allowing you to do internal monitoring of your API calls being made and also audit the changes made to AWS resources by your users. So overall, these three technologies altogether give you a really solid combination to monitor your AWS. We're going to learn about these in this section. So see you in the next lecture.